COVID-19. Serious problem. Alright. So it has been spreading, the new variant. Omnicrap. Yes, that's all it is. It's crap. Okay, so it, in my opinion, is not as strong as all the other ones. However, it does spread fast. So you want to make sure that you stay safe out there. Keep your face covered. Don't touch every single thing when you go out. There's this site, government site, covidtest.gov. I will put the link in the description and then the next site as well. You can get free COVID tests for your home. So this is from the government. Okay, so if you're a U.S. citizen, or at least live in U.S. with a U.S. address, they will send you 4 kits at home. There's also other resources here on how you can get free testing done at actual sites and stuff, insurance reimbursements and everything else. It is spreading fast, so in my home itself we have tested positive. Some of us, not me, but luckily not yet, but I wouldn't be surprised if I do. Now, since I said earlier that this does spread fast, but it's not as strong, so if you are healthy you should be okay, even if you catch it. But if you have other symptoms, then it could be deadly. So just stay safe out there, keep covered. Hand sanitizers, I went to Office Max the other day, 10 cents a pop, like cheap, 10 cents. You could afford that. So yeah, check them out. I don't know if they still have that sale. There was last week, 10 cents a pop for hand sanitizer, and the big bottles. I'm not talking about small bottles either. Anyway, so on the other page that I showed you, covidtest.gov, you click order home test, it brings you this UPS site, and then you just fill out your information. Like I mentioned, it's free. So get it, test. If you do have it, isolate yourself, and do stay healthy, stay safe, take in a lot of vitamin C, and all the rest of your vitamins is very important. And hope everyone makes it out just fine from this stupid thing. Anyway, you guys have a good day. See you guys in the next video.